21, give up, back here, code 3. Shots fired.
Pulled over for a busted tail light in the back. And the police, he's scared. They took my his license. He's carried because his license to carry. He was trying to get out his ID and his wallet out his pocket, and he let the officer know that he had a firearm and he was retrieving his wallet. And the officer just got him in his car.
Ma'am, just keep your hands where they are. I told him not to reach for it. I told him to get his hand open.
You have to tell me his ID, sir, his driver's license. Oh my God. Tell me he's dead. Please don't tell me his boyfriend just missed.
Just keep your hands where they are, please.
Yes, I will, sir. I'll keep my hands where they are. Please don't tell me. Please don't tell me that. You shot 4 bullets into him, sir. He was just getting his license and registration, sir.
Get the female passenger out.
Ma'am, exit the car right now with your hands up. You see your hands. Exit now. Keep them up. Keep them up.
Where's my dog?
Take the hands from me and walk backwards. Walk backwards. Keep walking. Keep walking. Keep walking.
6910. One adult, 6921, I'm sorry. One adult female getting taken into custody. Driver at gunpoint. Juvenile female child is with 6920. We need a couple other squads to block off intersections. Get supervisors here. Page them out.
What do you need, Mark?
Keep his hands, let's just wait.
Yep. All right.
Okay. You see both his hands? Yep. I need somebody, let's get gloves on.
More all officers up.
Okay.
Our all officers good.
Okay.
All officers good.
All officers are good. We need it pulled into park.
I'm going to take your spot. Listen, I'm going to take your spot, buddy. Listen, I got your spot, okay? I got him. I got him. I got him here.
You got him?
I got him. I got him, buddy. I got him here.
Just, yeah.
You all right? Dude, you're all right? You're not hit any area?
Oh, I'm not.
Walk back here.
Control, everybody.
Walk back here.
Yeah, I got it. I got it.
You got him, friend? Yeah.
Dude, I told him to be in his hand out. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, dude! Let's get some more squads here so we can you over there.
We got that blocked off down there. We got it blocked off here. Someone move a squad up alongside over there. Move a squad up. Block that. Anybody able to move a squad up to block? Someone across the street.
location are you at that you have it closed?
We're at Marvin and St. Mary's, just after Raleigh.
5180, can you advise on that? They still need the traffic closed off there?
Traffic blocked off. Can we get a...
Copy, we're going to keep all the traffic locked off here.
Are you able to move the squad up so they're not all filming
right now?
Okay. Maybe mine or something?
I need you to just breathe. Okay? Breathe. Which direction did you fire your weapon?
Right at the driver. I had it right out.
Okay.
I had it pointed down. I don't know how many rounds I let out or anything.
Okay. So you were, I just need to know which one's your car right here.
Mine's the one that's pulling them over.
Okay. So you pointed just directly ahead of
Just directly ahead. I had it at my waist.
Was he sitting in the car or was
He was sitting in the car, seat belted. I told him, that's your license. And then told me he had a firearm. I told him not to reach for it. And when he went down to grab, I told him not to reach for it. And then he kept it right there. And I told him to take his hands off of it. And then he had his grip a lot wider than a wallet.
Okay.
And I don't know where the gun was. He didn't tell me where the gun was.
Okay.
And then it was just getting hanky. He was just staring straight ahead, and then I was getting nervous. And then I told him, I told him to get his hand off his gun.
Okay. Okay. Is everybody in custody? Do we have everybody? Were there two people in the car?
3 people in the car. It was a female front seat passenger, the little girl in the back,
Breathe. Breathe in.
and the dude.
From having been through this before, so listen to me real quick. But
okay.
so I know you want to talk about it, but there's things we need to know.
Yep.
If there's any other suspects, you said no.
Yep.
What direction did you fire your weapon?
Yep.
I had it down his hip. I had it pointed down.
Into
Diagonal.
Okay. Nope. So we're just bringing it on
Into the car.
Yep.
They're all around there in the car.
Good.
Okay.
Good work. And then there's no other outstanding suspects, and nobody else is injured that you know of.
Nobody else is injured that I know of.
Okay. Let's get you out of here, buddy.
Yep.